Dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I show you how you can make a buck booster or DC to DC positive to negative converter by using lm259 DC to DC. These two inputs of this board and these two outputs of this board. I'm using two boards. Please follow, like, comment, and share. I'm using two boards for this buck booster positive to negative. We are going to connect both. Board's positive input through a diode. Put a diode 1N4007 anode soldering on the positive of board first, and the cathode solder on the positive of board 2, and both positive input connected through our diode. Please subscribe our channel. Connect both positive with diodes. Please like, share, comment our channel. Look this, these two positive inputs. Anode here and cathode on the second board, as you can see. Now, this is the output side. Now, I show you these points are output points, and connect our diode 1N4007 on the output of board 2. Follow these positive and negative, and put the diode here, cathode on the positive of the second board and anode on the negative of the second board, and these two are output of the second board. Anode on the negative and cathode on the positive on the output of the second board, as you can see. Now connect the both boards output in the series. Board 1 positive connect to the board 2 negative, and these two output terminals connect together with the help of jumper, and this is the common point of both boards, and this one is the, in fact, this is the ground. Please like, share this video, and as you can see now, both points are connected. These two outputs, as you can see, output negative and the output positive of the second board is connected. Now this is the input, these two input points, and now I show you how you can input points solder here. And the first one, this is the ground, 12-volt input, and black wire is the ground. Look at this, solder here. And the second one, the red wire, this is VCC, positive 12 volts. These two power input terminals, and connected here. And now I show you how to connect these two terminals with the power supply 12 volts input. And now I show you on the multimeter how you can check and the 2 wires input to 3 wires output. The center one is the ground. Look at this, 11.6 volts. And now I show you, look at this, a negative 10.9 volts. Now you can see 2 wires to 3 wire output, positive 12 volts and negative 12 volts. So this is the video of today. If you like our video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like, share, comment. Now you can also follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Now you can make easily positive to negative converter. Follow this video. Thanks for watching. Follow us to watch more technical tips and tricks in the future. Till next, Allah Hafiz.